Hi friends, for our math journal activity today, we're going to look for this page. We're going to do addition up to 5. So I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at that top and write my name. Okay friends, once our name is on our paper, we're going to cut off these boxes at the bottom. Now we're doing addition, so we are joining two groups together. So I'm going to cut out our sums, and I'm going to put this to the side for just a second. Now I'm going to pick up my pencil. I have 1, 2. 2 leaves. This sign is called plus. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3 equals. So I'm going to count all the leaves up now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to cut out the number 5, the answer, and I'm going to glue it down. Okay, friends, so let's look at that again. I'm going to count 1, 2. I'm going to write 2 around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 2, 3 around the tree, around the tree. Then I'm going to count them all up. I'm going to join the two groups together to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So you're going to count, write how many for each of them, and then add. Join the two groups together.